Are you yearning for a drive down memory lane? Buckle up. The MGB is about to take you there. Introduced in 1962, the MGB is the epitome of British roadster culture. With its elegant design, featuring clean lines, round headlights and a long hood, it's a visual treat for any car lover. Under the hood, it packed a 1.8-litre four-cylinder engine, delivering 95 horsepower. That might not sound like much today, but back then it was a ticket to pure driving pleasure. 0 to 100 kilometers per h in about 11 seconds. Thrilling, right? The MGB wasn't just about speed. Its lightweight construction and superior handling offered a driving experience that was both nimble and dynamic, perfect for those winding country roads. But the MGB's charm isn't just mechanical. This classic has graced the silver screen and TV shows, symbolizing the freedom and youth of the 60s and 70s. It's more than a car, it's a cultural icon. Even today, the MGB holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. It's an emblem of a bygone era, and owning one is like holding a piece of automotive history, the MGB. Timeless, elegant, and always thrilling.